So this is higher math test 1. You can say that in the MCQ number 1, it is given cot theta. Find the value of cot theta. Evaluate cot theta. It is given as cos theta equal to minus root 3 by 2. Achha. Quadrant, you know that in the quadrant, pi to 3 pi by 2. In this third quadrant, only tan and cot are positive. So this is cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2. That means it is 30 degree. Theta is equal to 30 degree. It is in the third quadrant. Now cot 30 degree for third quadrant, it will be root 3. And since cot is positive in the third quadrant, that's why it will be positive. Option number A. Okay. So cot theta is positive in the third quadrant, that is pi to 3 pi by 2. And cos theta is equal to root 3 by 2, that means cos 30 degree, that's root 3 by 2. So cot 30 degree is root 3, and it is in the third quadrant, so positive root 3. Sec by sec square x minus 1. Sec square x minus 1 means what? Tan square x. Huh? Tan square x means tan x plus sec x divided by tan x, and sec x means 1 by cos x, and tan x reciprocal now, যেটা নিচে ছিল ওই জন্য reciprocal sin by cos, so cos by sin হয়ে যাবে. Tan x means tan x is equal to sin by cos, reciprocal cos by sin, cos can reduce, so 1 by sin, that is cosec x. X such that x belongs to n. So 5 to, oh, sorry, there should be a second bracket. So 5, natural number from 5 up to 10. But 10 is not included since there is no equal sign. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many elements? 5. So power set of A means 2 to the power 5 elements. That means 32 elements. Okay. 3x minus 2. And what is the domain of F? So 3x minus 2, the expression under the root over must be greater or equal to 0, greater or equal to 0. So thrice x is greater or equal to 2, whereas x is greater or equal to 2 by 3, greater or equal to. There's x minus 2, so thrice is greater than 2. So greater or equal to 2 by 3. This n of A. So the formula, n of A union B. N of A plus n of cardinality. Cardinality of A, cardinality of B minus cardinality of A intersection B. Union B is given, that is 12 is given. N of A is 3, n of B we need to find out. N of B we don't know. N of A intersection B, that is 1. So 3 minus 1, that is 2. 12 minus 2 is equal to n of B, that is 10. Option C. So these are the solution of MCQ. So part B, first question, cos theta is equal to 4 by 5, tan theta is equal to R, 1 minus R square, 1 plus R square. So need to draw a figure. A, B, C is theta cos adjacent by hypotenuse. So let's see. Sorry, AB. AB. 5 square minus 4 square, which is 25 minus 16. That is root over 9. There is 3. Okay. So m is equal to 3. Therefore, r is equal to r is equal to 10 theta. That is 10 theta means r is equal to 10 theta. And means 3 by 4. Therefore, 1 minus r squared will 1 plus square. 1 minus 3 by 4 square. 1 plus 3 by 4 square is 1 minus 9 by 16. 1 minus, so plus 9 by 16. Subtraction 16 minus 9. Addition 16 plus 9. So it will be 7 by 16 and 25 by 16. That is 7 by 25 is the answer. Very simple. Just drawing the figure. And the next question is just modified. Very, very simple from the book, textbook. So given that cot theta plus cosec theta is equal to 4 by 5n. So cot theta we need to find out cot theta minus cosec theta. So we will multiply it by cot theta minus cosec theta, both the sides. Cot theta plus cosec theta. So 4 by 5 into cot theta minus cosec theta. So after multiplying, it is a minus b, a plus b. So cot squared theta minus cosec squared theta. Cot theta 4 by 5 equal to cot theta minus cosec theta. Sorry, there was m. Okay. Now, cosec square minus cot square is equal to 1. So minus 1 common nilam. So cot square will be converted into cosec square minus cot square theta 4n by 5 cot theta minus cosec theta minus 1 into 5 will be numerator and 4m will be the denominator. So cot theta minus cosec theta is equal to what? Cot theta minus cosec theta is equal to minus 5 divided by 4n. This is our answer. Okay. Question number 3 is quadrant again. Quadrant. Need to consider the quadrant. Find the value of sin x and cos sec x is given. So we will draw the figure. A, B, and C. Sec. Hypotenuse by ascent, hypotenuse is 5, ascent is 4. So AB is equal to root over 5 square minus 4 square. 25 minus 16, that is root over 9, that is 3. Now, sine x, and it's a quadrant. We know that 3 pi to 3 pi by 2. This is pi. This is 3 pi by 2. So 10 and 4 positive here. Okay? Therefore, this is sin x. Sin x will be negative here. Sin x will be negative. Sec x is negative. Sin x will be negative. Sin x is equal to কি হবে এখানে opposite this minus, it is negative, so minus, opposite is 3 and hypotenuse is 5, and again cot x adjacent by opposite is 4 by 3. Therefore sin x into cot x minus 3 by 5 to 4 by 3. So the result will be this one. Okay. Minus 4 by 5. Next. This from the text. It is directly given from the textbook. We will work with the left-hand side, and then we'll get the right-hand side. Left-hand side is given tan theta plus sec theta minus 1, and theta minus sec theta plus 1. So tan theta plus sec theta unchanged, minus 1. So we can write this sec square theta minus tan square theta. This is one of the formula. Sec square minus tan square is equal to 1. So we have replaced 1 by sec square minus tan square. The tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 unchanged. Okay. Next, we will use the formula of a squared minus b squared minus sec theta minus tan theta sec theta plus tan theta. Now, tan theta plus sec theta will be taken common. From this, tan theta plus sec theta has been taken common. So we will get 1 for this one. 1. And from this whole part, sec theta plus tan theta will be taken common. So minus sec theta minus sec theta minus tan theta. কেউ চাইলে এটাকে এক লাইনে করে দিতে পারে, আমি সেকেন্ড ব্র্যাকেট দিয়ে বোঝাচ্ছি because it will be easier for some. I have just changed the place of tan theta and 1 in the denominator, nothing else. It's not mandatory. So 1 minus sec theta minus into minus, that is plus tan theta. So the numerator and the denominator 1 minus sec theta plus tan theta. So it is reduced. So tan theta plus sec theta is equal to right hand side. This is proved. So this is also proved. And the last one, question number 2, E number question. E number question, it is given. Okay. Very simple. This is given is cot uh, p minus cot theta is equal to p minus q. So cot theta can be written and given cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta p by q. So multiplied p cos theta q sin theta. So we'll multiply cos by p and sin by q. On the right side, we'll also multiply. So it will become p square q square multiplying by p by q. Now, this in the numerator is minus, denominator is plus. So you can see that if we take dividendo componendo, then we'll get that. So cos theta minus p cos theta minus q sin theta, numerator minus denominator, then a numerator plus numerator plus denominator minus plus. This is the answer. Very simple. Okay. Just multiply both sides p by q, then take dividend component. If in the numerator it is plus and numerator minus, then we take component dividend. Okay. আমরা লিখে রাখবো dividendo componendo. Next, the CQ. Question number 3, CQ. Find the domain. Finding domain. So for which values are valid to be used as the value of x. So f of x is given. You can see this is a fractional function. So denominator cannot be 0. If it is 0, then f of x will be undefined if 3x plus 2 is equal to 0 or 3x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 2 by 3. Therefore, domain is equal to set of real numbers minus 2 by 3. So except minus 2 by 3, all values are valid to put in this function. Find f inverse minus 3. Let y is equal to f of x. Therefore, according to the definition, x is equal to f inverse y. So fx is given. Now fx is given, y is equal to fx, 2x minus 3, thrice x plus 2. So cross multiply y into 3x plus 2 and 2x minus 3. So multiply 3xy plus 2y and 2x minus c. Now we need to find out find the inverse. We need to find out the value of x, because for x it is defined f inverse y. So we will find the value of x. That's why x will be taken on the left side. thrice xy, it has x. 2y doesn't have any x. 2x has an x, so 1x. So minus 2x. 2x has been shifted to the left side, so plus 2x has become minus 2x, and 2y has been shifted to the right side, so it is minus 2y. Okay. Function was given thrice x plus 2. Okay. And now, x has been taken common. 3y. So first term, minus 2, and minus 2y minus 3. So x is equal to minus 2y minus 3, 3y minus 2 divided by 3y minus 2, both sides. So x is equal to, we can see it is defined f inverse y. So minus 2y minus 3. Therefore, f inverse in the question is given minus 3. F inverse minus 3. So we will put minus 3 in the place of y. Minus into minus plus, that is 6 minus 3, then minus 9 minus 2. That is 3 by 11 minus 11. This is answer. And the last one, C number. So that G is 1 function, but not onto 1 function. G of x is equal to x minus 3 to x plus 1. G of x is equal to x minus 3 to x minus, sorry, x minus 3 to x plus 1. So we will take two variables and we will assume that these variables will be under the domain of the given function. We'll find the functional values. C of A equal to C of B if and only if A minus 3 to A plus 1 is equal to B minus 3 to B plus 1. So we will cross multiply this A minus 3 into 2B plus 1, B minus 3 2A plus 1. So A into 2B, that is 2AB, A into 1, that is A, minus 3 into 2B, that is minus 6B, minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3. B into 2A, 2AB, B into 1, that is B, minus 3 into 2A, minus 6, minus 3 into 1, minus 3. So 2AB, 2AB from the both sides, you can cancel 2AB. And minus 3 will be cancelled. Now it is A plus 6A, B plus 6B, 7A is equal to 7B, therefore A is equal to B. Therefore, sorry, G of x is 1 function. Now, on to the function is g r minus r minus minus of, it will be actually, it will be r minus minus of, then this is the r minus minus of is the domain and r is the range. So r minus minus of there's a codomain. Codomain, first set is the domain and the second set is codomain. So we need to verify whether it is onto or not. At first, we need to find out the range of gx. Okay, so এখানে gx এর ভ্যালু হলো x minus 3 to x plus 1. ক্রস মাল্টিপ্লাই করে দেবো y 2xy plus y into 2x, 2xy, y into 1, x minus 3. So now 2xy and the x has been shifted to the left side and y has been shifted to the right side. So minus y minus 3. X will be taken common, 2y minus 1 minus y minus 3. X is equal to minus y minus 3, 2y minus 1. So C of y is equal to minus y minus 3 to y minus 1 is C inverse x is equal to minus x minus 3 to x minus 1. That's why domain or dome of is G inverse x. You can see that this is a fractional function, and in the denominator, if you put x is equal to 1 by 2, then the new denominator will be 0. So we will omit 1 by 2 from the domain of the inverse function. And domain of the inverse function is actually the range of the original function. Therefore, the range of the gx is equal to r minus. And from the question, we can see that this is the codomain of the gx. But codomain of gx. But codomain gx is equal to r. Since codomain gx not equal to range g of x, therefore g of x is not onto. Okay, that's all.